Hi, this is Cynthia Head with CAP Prep. You can find us at www.cynthiahead.com. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to score your ACT practice tests. So a PDF just like this is released each year by ACT. You can go to act.org and receive it directly from them. So let's say you made the effort of taking this test. Now, how do you get your score? Okay, the answers are at the bottom of this PDF. So, all right, it's got a nice little answer document there, so I recommend using that to practice. And here you go. The first score that you're going to get is your raw score. Your raw score is the number correct. You get 1 point for each correct answer, and there is no penalty for guessing. So be sure that you fill in every little bubble. So you can even break it down into different categories to see how, okay, well, maybe I need to improve my knowledge of language. Now you'll do that for all four. It's the number correct. And that's called, the number correct is also called the raw score. So we got 60 correct on the English test. Plug that into the chart. 60, the scale score is 27. That is aligned with the numbers that we're more familiar with when we talk about the ACT. You're going to do that for all four, and then this is how you get your composite score. It is the average of all four tests. So if you're interested in knowing that, you got to get a number to plug in on all four. You got to take all four sections, okay? So you add up English, math, reading, science, divide by 4, and that is your composite score. Let's look at another chart that gives us a different perspective. These conversion charts that are connected with all these practice tests, they are unique to that test. So if you want, just in general, if you need a conversion chart, or maybe you don't have access to the particular test that you're taking, Mastery Prep puts out this raw score average conversion table. So the conversion table is based on the average of 9 conversion tables released by the ACT. So they took that average, and what's highlighted here in yellow are the benchmarks that are ACT's college readiness benchmarks. So it's saying in English you need to have an 18, in math 22, reading 24, and science 25. Another great resource is the ACT Score National Ranks. I have highlighted here 29 because in the state of Tennessee, there are some exciting scholarships connected with the 29, and 21 is connected with the Hope Scholarship in the state of Tennessee. Looking across there, but the most important thing for you to look at on this particular chart is if you want to be like, okay, I want to be the top 20% in the nation. Well, looking at that composite score, okay, you want to have a 25 if you're aiming for the top 20%. Or I want to be in the top 5% in the nation. Looking at this chart helps you determine, okay, 31, that's my goal. I want to go for 31 to be in the top 5% of the nation. When we talk about Superscore, here we go. The act.org, even online, has a little chart that you can fill in, and it calculates your number for you. Some colleges give you the academic scholarship based on your Superscore, and some give you the scholarship based on your composite score. So you want to ask your university, which one are we looking at when I look at these guaranteed entering freshman scholarships? The composite, the Superscore, it takes your best performance in each of the sections to determine a unique number. So English 25, for this particular student 19 for math, and look, they had an astonishing 33 on that reading score, 27. So you can see how the Superscore and the composite score can change. All right. This is a very simple tool that can be used as you are tracking your raw score and your scale score. Notice there are multiple lines, so I do encourage you to take multiple tests. Alrighty, thank you for joining us today. Again, this is Cynthia Head with CAP Prep, how to score your ACT practice tests. Stay hungry and humble.